Hey guys, in this video we're going to learn how to connect your AirPods with your Windows 10 PC. And for those who are wondering, this is an original AirPod 2. This is not a copy. This is a genuine AirPods. And we're going to learn how to connect this with your PC in just a minute. Let's begin. So first of all, you need to make sure that your AirPods are in pairing mode. So for that, you need to open the lid. Just like that, you would see a green light if it's AirPods 2, the ones that I have. And then if you don't see the white flashing light, there's a button on the back of your AirPods, this button right here. So what you need to do is you need to first of all click on this button and just click on it and press and hold for a few seconds so that you can start seeing this white light and this white flashing light that you see right here. After that, once that's done, you need to just keep your AirPods like that. And then you need to go to your computer and then you need to click here. You would see a Bluetooth icon. If you don't see this Bluetooth icon, that means that maybe your PC doesn't have a Bluetooth device connected to it, or maybe the Bluetooth option is not there. Then solution to that is that you can get a Bluetooth dongle. It's very cheap from the market. You can get that. You need to click on this and then it says add a Bluetooth device right on top. You need to click on this. After you click on this, you would see these options on your computer. Right on top, you would see an option that says add Bluetooth or other device. You need to click on this, and then there's an option that says Bluetooth and then wireless displays. So you need to click on the first option that you see, Bluetooth. Once you click on it, it's going to start discovering devices that are available. And then you would see your Bluetooth device appearing right here. Since I already have my Bluetooth, my AirPods paired with my PC, so that's why I'm not seeing that option available here. But it's just that you would see sometimes you see headset instead of AirPods, but then just leave it like that. After headsets, it's going to say AirPods after a few seconds. Once it says AirPods, just click on it and click connect. It's going to start pairing and connecting. Once it is connected, you're going to see this right here, this option where it says AirPods are paired, and then you see this option where it says connect. So you could click on connect and it's going to connect with your AirPods. So right now, for example, if I just pulled my AirPods out of the case and then I put them in my ears, as soon as I do that, you can see automatically it says connected for voice or music. So that's how easy it is to pair your AirPods with your PC. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments box. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a good one. Milte हैं अगली वीडियो में. Bye bye.